What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages? Alright, so doing tree work, a lot of times your phone takes a beating. I've had to replace several screens, and it just your phone takes a beating. Mainly, biggest problem is the charging port. Okay, I'm an Android guy, so my current phone has the macro whatever C, whatever the charging port, not the little one, but so what happens is sawdust gets down in there. Then I try to take the charging plug, shove it in the hole, and it won't fit because it's full of sawdust. Okay, well, you can take an air hose and blow it out. That works great. Sometimes that doesn't work. What I figured out is that the best tool to use when you got a wood chip stuck down in the bottom is a bobby pin. Okay? Particularly this little flat side right here, not the curvy side. So what we do, we take a bobby pin. I stole this from my wife, so don't tell her, okay? This is going to be just between me and you. I take the bobby pin and I bend it open. Like that. Okay? Real flat side. Alright. Then, this little ball that's on the end, that one right there, and cut that off at an angle. Okay? Pliers. Whoops. So now I got rid of the ball, and I'm left with, my camera doesn't focus that great. So, whatever. Alright, so, obviously since I'm filming this on my phone, so I can't show you how to do it, so I borrowed my wife's phone. Got the charging port down at the bottom, bobby pin, and you just come in here and just sneak in real nice and easy, quiet. Sneak in real quiet like. And it's best if you have a headlamp or something. But she's actually got some sawdust in here. But just take it. Just clean it. I don't know how they do it professionally. It's just what I do. Then break that stuff up. Go over there. Put it on my air hose. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's because sometimes pieces will get caught over in these little corners up here, in the little circles things. No, that looks great. But, or one little piece of sawdust will get caught out here on the edge, or like halfway. Well, then you go to plug it in, and you end up actually just shoving the sawdust down deep in the bottom. Okay? So, it's a simple little trick that I found. And she's always got bobby pins around. So, hey, if it works, it works. Like I said, I don't know how they do it in a professional cell phone repair shop, but this is DIY yourself at home. So there you go. Alrighty. Well, y'all have a blessed day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Deuces, homies.